welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Jewel Grab Box for the month of June. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees and this one is for June month. Now let's quickly see what all it has. So it's a jewel grab box. Of course, you will receive beautiful jewelry in this box. Now let's start with the info card. So this is the info card. It says June jewel grab box. On the other side, we have list of all the product. All the jewelry pieces. Let's start with the first one, which is really beautiful set. This is the party metal neck piece set. The price for this one is 500 rupees, and this is the one. So this is the neck piece and these are the earrings, stud earrings. Let me just wear this and show you the look. Wow, so this is the neck piece and let me show you the earrings as well. So these are the studs with it. Really pretty. You can of course wear the studs individual and then you can wear the neck piece individually. It's really pretty. I like it. A very beautiful party neck piece. Loved it, and it's in golden color, so you can just mix this with anything, any like color dressed. Now the price for this one is 500 rupees, and now let's move on to the next one. The next one is oxidized black thread earrings. The price for these are 250 rupees, and for that I have to remove my neck piece because it's golden. So of course this will not really go with that because they are oxidized silver earrings. Moving on to the next one. Next one are these. These are the black thread earrings and you can just see they are really pretty, very long, looking really nice. Let me just wear one for you. And of course in the end I will be creating a lookbook with all the jewelry pieces so you can have a better look of these earrings or of all the jewelry actually. So this is the look. Of course really pretty and it's really nice. Actually it's going with my dress as well, and you can wear these on your kurtis, on your suits. A really beautiful piece, I guess. 250 is the price for this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one are these mini stone earrings and these are the one. Really pretty, very cute. The price for these are 150 rupees. Let me just wear one for you and show you. Of course they are very elegant and of course you know stone jewelry are expensive jewelry and they look rich. Let me just show you. Wow, so this is the look. Cute. 150 is the price for this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is the oxidized bunch earrings and these are actually very pretty and these are perfect for a kurti, for a suit look for sure. Really pretty. I love this. The pink color, then the yellowish gold color is there. Different colors. Really pretty, and then oxidized silver. So looking really pretty. I am so happy with this one. One of my favorite earring in the box for sure. The price for this one is 350 rupees. And let me just wear this one and show you. You can just see it's looking so pretty. Wow. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is, let me just see. The next one is the metal ring and it's silver metal ring. You can just see this one. Square is the shape and this is the look. The price for this one is 100 rupees and yes, it's nice, simple, plain, yet very classy. So yes, I like it. 100 rupees is the price for this one. Moving on to the next one. Next one are these mirror tassel earrings. Again, very pretty. I loved it. I love the color and the design. Yes, super nice. The price for these are 150 rupees and this is the style. So yes, loving it. Let me just wear it. Wow, they are looking so nice. 150 is the price for this one. 150, right? Yeah, 150 is the price. And you can just see they are looking super duper nice. Yes, super happy with this one. I would say my first favorite in the box for sure. Really pretty. I love the color actually. It's very nice. A different shade. Now, I'm left with the last one. Last one are these single layer brass jhumki. These are again cute. Very cute for kurtis, for suits. And the color is gold with pink or red. Pinkish red kind of a color. Actually red, more of a red shade. So this is the look. Wow, pretty. The price for this one is 200 rupees and this is the last jewelry in the box. You can just see all the jewelry pieces are super nice. The total worth of all the jewelry is 1700 plus, which is amazing because you are just paying 499 rupees. And this month, Grabox has a giveaway, not for this one, for mini or Grabox. Whatever makeup you will receive in that box, you just have to create a beautiful eye makeup look, send that to Grabox, and then you can stand a chance to win July mini or Grabox for free, which is amazing. So yeah, do participate in that as well. And that's all about Grabox. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.